Hello there, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Yay! That's right, today we are talking about a epic evolution from Jurassic World. And we will compare to a Dino Trackers Bistahieversor and a Dino Escape Carcharodontosaurus. It's pretty much classic now. So let's get the NEOVENATOR. Let's go grab him. Let's put this aside first. Here he is. We're gonna unbox it. This is one of Sephiroth's Christmas presents. We haven't opened it yet. Obviously he's not interested in it. But we're gonna open it now. Let's check the back first. So it says it has a rampage attack. If you turn the circle there, there's like a spike on its hair or whatever that is, a quill. We already discussed with the Triceratops. Alright, so here's the DNA scan. So here's the rotating attack thing. It moves. There's no sound though, but I think the Allosaurus and the rest have sounds. If you turn it around, this one doesn't have it. Even the Triceratops, they don't do that. So the hands move. It has a chomping attack, and if you do this, the quills come out. So there you go. So the only thing I don't like about it, it looks like it's smiling though. The teeth seems really nice. It looks sharp, but it's really soft, so it's child-proof compared to this guy's the classic one. You can see the teeth. I don't know how they look at that. It's not that good, but this one's better now. The Epic Evolution. Uh-oh. Why is it not fine? There you go. Alright, so let's unbox it now. Okay. Let's put it here. 1, 2. Oh, there you go. Alright, so here he is. Let's check the foot. It's got long feet. Nice color, purple, and look at, is that teal, whatever that color is? You can't move the tail no more. So there we go, attacking. That's compared to the Carcharodontosaurus. Oops. So it has a button here. If you push it, it just chomps down. The mouth moves. There's no sounds though. So these three dinos don't have any sounds. Now let's grab the Bistahieversor. It is a Dino Tracker. It comes with a tracking gear. You push the button, it starts jumping. Push the other button, it's got its spikes on the tail move. Oops. Yeah, right there. So yeah, 3 of these dinos don't have any sounds. But they're not that bad though. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Also, here's an update on my Ultimasaurus. I'm gonna grab it, show it to you guys. It's not quite finished yet. I still have a long way to go. Alright, so here he is now. It looks kind of funny. There's the armor now, the Ankylosaurus. I have to break 2 Ankylosauruses. And there's the tail. See, it's all clayed up. Looks sick though. So this one's right here are from a Therizinosaurus claw. My spare back then. And this spike right here is actually a tail of a cheap dinosaur toy. I have to use 2 clubs of an Ankylosaurus. This one right here, see that? And I have to put the older club up here. Because using one make it look so small, at least 2 makes it look better. So there you go. I didn't put the horn here yet. I'm gonna do that tomorrow probably. I have to drill some holes here so the glue or clay will go in there. So there you go. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you for the likes and subscribes. And we'll see you in the next video, okay? Thank you so much guys. Have a good great evening. Goodbye for now. Bye.